Welcome to DK's Follies. So this is the last episode of this series of repairing the Kickstarter box. I have repaired it so far in a way that all the wobbling is gone, but still everything is very tight in it. So the return spring is not working as it is intended. The kick goes down but does not come up, and there is a little problem of first tooth of the larger ratchet sticking. I've had it ground a little, but still I do not want to grind it a lot. But anyhow, uh, then let's see how the kick goes. So the kick moves, and then it stays here, and we have to just manually bring it back. I'm not bringing it back fully upwards, leaving a little, but still here, and then off. So this is the whole thing, and it is still under the sheets. I am still in the process of doing bit by bit, and I don't know what I will do about it. I think I will add a pull starter here. I will have to get a pull starter made and then fitted here. I'll see what I would do, subject to availability of finances, but still, whatever I have done in my meager resources is well done for me. And you know, it is always self done, well done type of thing here. So I hope you have liked it. Thank you very much. Do like and subscribe. Goodbye.